Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to cook pan-fried beef bun. And these are the ingredients you need. I got 1 pound of ground beef, 2 onions, 2 eggs, boiling water, 2.5 cup flour, 5 spice, yeast, black pepper, salt, sugar, oil, light soy, warm water. First, activate the yeast. 1 teaspoon of yeast, and then half a cup of warm water. Set aside. I am going to make the dough. So I have 2.5 cup of flour here, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/3 cup of hot water. Add in the yeast from earlier. Now that everything is combined, I'm going to add in 2 eggs. Mix it. Just keep kneading it in order to get the egg to all blend in with the flour. It's a little sticky, but that's normal. Okay. The egg has been blended with the dough, and now let it rest for half an hour. Okay, while we were waiting for the dough to rise a little, cut the onion. I have 2 diced onions here. Add in the meat. Half teaspoon of 5 spice. Half teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon salt. 2 tablespoons of light soy. I have put in all this spice. Now I'm going to mix everything up to combine everything. Let it marinate for at least 15 minutes. Okay, half hour has gone by, and this is what the dough looks like. Adding in maybe like half cup of flour because it's too sticky. It should be sticky like this. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil here and try and mix it. Okay, I'm adding in another tablespoon of oil and just knead it. Okay, I have added another half a cup of flour, and it looks like this. Let it rest again for another hour before we put in the meat. Okay, my dough has been finished rising, and it looks like this. Okay, so I'm going to put some oil in here to make my hand not sticking to the dough too much. So I'm going to divide the dough into half. I'm kneading it so the bubble gets away. And now I'm going to divide into 6. It's a little sticky, so I'm going to put oil onto my hands. You push the edge and don't, the middle is not pushing at all, because as you stretch, the middle will get thinner. So pull it up. About a big tablespoon of filling. So it looks like this. Put the seam side down. It can take a lot of meat. And continue with the rest of the dough, doing the same thing. And it should make 12 in total. Okay, I have finished rolling my bun and this is what it looks like. And now it's time to pan fry them. I'm cooking in medium heat. I'm adding a little bit of oil into the pan. And then I'm going to squeeze. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to cover it in 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes has gone by, and this is what it looks like. Then, cover again for another 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes has gone by. This is what it looks like. There you go. Look at this one. Repeat for the rest of the bun. Okay, this is the final product and I'm showing you what it looks like. It's nice and crispy. Ooh, hot. This is what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.